Hello. Hi, welcome all. If you can hear me, just write down yes into the chat window. I can see Alok is here. So we are going to start this digital marketing session. So if you can hear, also if you can see my hi, then reply. Alok, if you can see my screen, just write the yes in the chat window. If you can see my screen. Yeah, Sumit is there. Hello everyone. Yes, Sumit, you are able to see my screen. Also, are you able to listen me? If you can hear my voice, please write yes. Okay, good. So let's wait for another 5 minutes. Like we three people are here, so we are waiting for the all attendees. Then we will start this session. Yeah, Krati is here. Good. To avoid the noise issue, you guys request you to please mute yourself so that you can listen me properly. everyone. I think we all are here. So let's start this digital marketing session. And first of all, I would like to congratulate all of you to be here, to a part of this organization. Uh, so, okay. So let me introduce with myself who I am. Yes, my name is Deepika Chaudhary. I am a digital marketing consultant and expert as well. Also, I am certified Google tool. These are the basic technical terms which you will learn, and I will definitely encourage you to participate in these tools so that you can also be certified of the Google Analytics and AdWords tool. And I'm having a more than 6+ years of experience in this digital marketing field, and I am really passionate about this field. I really love this field because I am from the technical background, and I do have a experience of the coding, hosting, and even I have like worked for the different domains like the search engine marketing, social media optimization, search SEO, email marketing. So I do have an experience of in these domains. Currently, I am associated with an organization. The name is Wildnet Technology. I am working there as a digital marketing manager. And so far in my career, I have served more than 500 clients of the different domain and different countries like USA, UK, Australia, domestic clients. So I really love this field, and I am like fortunate to be a part of this digital marketing. So this is about me. Now I would like to give you the opportunity to introduce yourself, and everyone, what I need, you just need to write down about yourself, your name, from where are you, your age, and what you basically do currently. If you are associated with any organization, or like you have just recently started your career, so you can also your passion for this digital marketing, you can write down in a one word. So these all the things please write down in the chat window, so I can like know you very well and I can relate to you very well with the digital marketing session. Yeah, please start one by one. I would also want you to write, not write like all the things you should write in a once. You don't write again and again in this, so that I can read very conveniently. Okay, Chandrakant, you are from Maharashtra, of course, and you are a business development executive. Great. Sumit is also from Maharashtra, right? And you are the mechanical engineer. Okay, great, great. Yeah, Nikhil, Alok, if you are there, please introduce yourself. Because I want this session should be interesting and you should participate in this session more and more. Okay, Sumit, okay, great. You are from the logistic field. Okay. Sumit, Chandrakant is done. Yes. Nikhil, if you are there, please introduce with yourself. Alok, yes. Okay, Alok Srivastav, your full name is Alok Srivastav. Okay, Krati, you are a student. Okay, great. Yes, Nikhil, what do you do? You are a student in Amity University. Okay, great. You are from the Noida. I'm also from the Noida. Okay, Nikhil, you are pursuing your BTech or you have completed your BTech? Okay, it's third year. Great, great. And very soon, you have started to learn the digital marketing. It's really very great. So in a long run, you would be able to set up your business, or you would be able to contribute in the digital marketing in a very better manner. That's great. So I think everybody is introduced yourself, which is really good. If anyone else, please introduced. Okay. Yes, Kriti is written, I want to learn this to grab a job in this field. My BTech will be completed in this month only, so I need a job in 2 months. That's why you opt for this course. Definitely, Kriti, and in this period of time, you would be eligible to learn the basics and advance of the digital marketing, and then you can really hunt the job into this domain, because there are a lot of opportunity in the digital marketing. So definitely you would be able, because I'm also working in an organization, and where I'm seeing like we are hiring a lot of people in that, and who are coming from the BTech background, MCA background, and some of them done the mass comm. So from different fields we are hiring people, and we are hiring the freshers as well. So definitely you'll get the opportunity in some organization to explore your career, because if you have digital marketing, it excite you, it explore your career. So one more thing I want to ask from all of you, like if you are you comfortable in English only, or you are comfortable in Hindi, or if you want the mix of both language, Hindi and English, then I can proceed with this session in English. So please write down in what language you are comfortable. Okay. Sumit said a mix would be great. Both, no problem. Okay. Alok said mix of the both languages good. That's great. Krati comfortable in both. Majority is saying in both. Both. Okay. Nikhil is also saying both. Okay. So in this session will be use the combination of English and Hindi, because my purpose is just to make you understand whatever I'm saying, so that you would be eligible to want. Okay. So I think introduction session is done. Let's proceed with the next slide, which is the agenda of this digital marketing session. So in this session, we will be discussing about the marketing, and we'll know how marketing can help you and what are the misconception basically people having with the marketing, and the doubts basically they have with the marketing. So I will help you to clear your doubts and the exact understanding with the marketing. I will help you in this, and I will make you understand the different components of the marketing in the digital marketing, and traditional marketing is one of them. So I will make you understand the difference, basically what is the difference between the traditional and the digital marketing, right? Because previously we are saying that mostly people having the understanding that they do want to start their career with the traditional marketing only, because they are not having any awareness of the digital marketing, so they do not want to explore themselves for the digital marketing part. So they are doing the traditional marketing, and mostly businesses fail just because of that, because they don't know the right approach of the marketing, right? So I will help you in this. And the most important thing, that if you are in this session, then why digital marketing is very much important. Okay, so I will help you in this. Of course, the future of this digital marketing is, it is very emerging future in this, and very growing. Digital marketing is growing day by day, and you can see more than 3 billions of people are into the internet. They are using the internet. Out of the 8 billions population worldwide, you can see that 40% of the users into the internet. So it is the right time to approach your customers into the internet, right? So the future, we will discuss about the future of the digital marketing, and what are the career opportunities. Like Kriti says, like within 2 months she wants a job. So I will explain you how you can approach and what type of career opportunities into the digital marketing, so you can boost your career with the digital marketing, whether you want an entrepreneur or a freelancer, or like you want to start your job with any organization, and you just want to uh, 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 like a job to do from your home, like freelancing kind of jobs. And in the last 2 points I will discuss the technical jargons. I will make you understand somebody is having the, like they don't aware from the what is the http, what is the ftp, what are the web server, web hosting. So these kind of the words I will many more words will come in this ppt. So I will help you in that, and the last session would be like the question answer. So guys, if you have any issues in between of the presentation, you can put your question into the chat window, so I can read there and give you answer instantly. If that question is not relevant to this session, definitely I'll give you answer at the end of this session, but I'll assure you that I should reply your questions answer very instantly. Okay, so the next slide, agenda is done. Yeah, this is a slide in which you should aware from the global digital statistics, right? Like how many total population in this earth, what are the internet users basically present. I told you that more than 3 billions of the users into the internet, and I will more emphasize on the social media marketing as well. Reason is that out of 50% of the active users, 37% are users into the social media accounts. So you are having a very great opportunity to explore your business, not only into the search. You can also explore your business to the social media platforms. The social media platforms are like, I'm talking about the Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter. These all are the social media platforms, but we should choose the platform very wisely, where our audience is lying, right? So there should be a difference between b2b or b2c. How many people are aware from the term B2B and B2C? Please write down in the chat if you are aware from the term B2B and B2C. Yes. Alok said you are not aware from this. Okay. Nikhil said B2 business to business. Very right, Nikhil. You are aware from this. Of course, Chandrakant, you are from the business BD background and you should be aware. Uh, okay. As I am a business development executive in traditional way marketing, is this experience get count in digital marketing? Yeah, of course, of course. If you are having exposure into the traditional marketing, definitely your experience will be considered in digital marketing. Why? I will let you know, because digital marketing is worthless if you are if you are not using the combination of the traditional and online marketing, right? Most of the businesses failed. Why I'm focusing that most of the businesses started and failed, just because they are not using the right approach. Wherever they want to use the traditional marketing, they are using the online marketing. Wherever they need to use the online marketing, they are using the traditional marketing. So that's why they are not having the clear understanding. That's why business became failed. So your experience definitely will counted into the digital marketing, because you are having a lot of experience or exposure into the traditional marketing, right? I will definitely ask you later like what kind of the experience you have, so definitely I can relate you in this session. Yes, Sumit, you are very right. Chandrakant, written the business to consumer, this is B2C. Definitely it is right, and B2B stands for the business to business. So in marketing process, we have to like categorize our business in these two categories. Then and only we can choose the right platform for the marketing, right? Let's suppose I am giving the example of the Amazon. So is Amazon is B2B or B2C? Both. Sumit said both. uh, okay, B2B, B2C. See, Amazon is the platform. It is a marketing marketplace, and it is a marketing marketplace for everyone, right? If you are going to purchase something, so it is it is for the B2B, business to customer, right? Consumer. Or B2B is business to business, because as a marketer, I am a manufacturer of the cloth industry, right? And I want to just sell my product to the any marketplace, online marketplace. So as being a manufacturer, being an entrepreneur, I would ask Amazon to list my products into the Amazon, but I'm not going to purchase anything into the Amazon. So this is a platform which lie for both B2B and B2C. So okay, great. Now you have an understanding with the B2B and B2C. Okay, great, great. So this will really help you, because in the starting I am clearing your doubts, so that we can start very in a well manner, and that you will be find yourself good enough into the digital marketing. Okay. So this slide aware you about the total population into the internet users, social media users, and active mobile social users, because the use of the mobile is also emerging nowadays. You are seeing people are using too many apps, because Amazon launched the app, right? Flipkart is also launched. Every shopping portal launch their apps, because they are finding their audience in mobiles, right? That's why they are taking the advantage. They are leveraging themselves to taking the advantage of the digital marketing through the mobiles, because they already changed their trends. Nowadays they are not focusing that people are using the laptop or desktop, then and only they can do the shopping, because users prefer to make the shoppings into the mobiles as well. So they launch their app. This is how they are emerging their business to the customers. Okay. So the next slide, because in the very starting I am focusing like why businesses failed, right? most of the businesses die because they don't know the right approach, because they have invested a lot of money, time and energy in that, but after 4 years, 5 years, 10 years, what they found, their business is not going smoothly, their business is not generating revenue to them, so that's why their businesses failed, right? So why they failed, if you will ask to their owners, they will say, I'm not getting the enough customers for my business. What is this? No, because see, I told you like more than 3 billions of the users are present into the internet marketing. I think something has happened. If you are listen my voice, please write yes. Okay, yes, Sumit, yes. All of you are able to listen my voice. Alok said yes. Nikhil, okay. Krati, okay, fine, fine. Okay, okay. So whenever you face any problem, if you are not seeing my screen or voice, you can immediately write into the chat window, so I can check this thing if any issue is happening. Okay, great. So I'm proceeding with the biggest problem in the marketing. All of you, I think, understood like what is the problem. I will let you know what problem they are facing. The entrepreneurs, the startup, what they are facing. So they said, I didn't get the enough customers for my business, but there are a lot of customers because they didn't do the right targeting. Because marketing is what? Marketing is that you are approaching your customers to the right time, right place, or to the right customer. This is the marketing. Marketing is a sequence. It is a sequence, it is a process wherein you are applying your approach to the right person, to the right time and the right place. This is the marketing. Simple. Okay. So everybody, if you are having a little bit understanding about the marketing, so in a very one word you can write down in the chat window. So if we like, I will clear your doubts, like what you are understanding and what I want to make you understand what the marketing. Hello everyone. Yes. Selling of product. Alok said selling of product. Okay, great. Chandrakant, Chandrakant, yes. Only Alok knows about the little bit about the marketing. Sumit said it's a systematic approach of putting our services and products into the customer's brain to buy it. Very, very good, very good. Selling of services. Okay. Marketing is to advertise your product, make your product reachable to people. Krati, good. My internet giving problem. Okay, Chandrakant, do one thing, just like close your uh, go to webinar and then again restart it. Maybe it can work. Okay, Sumit said promoting you or others product. Okay, marketing is this. Okay, so all of you is having a little bit understanding about the marketing. Very good. So marketing is marketing is definitely is something is about getting customers for your business, but to applying the right influencing and attracting approach to your customers, right? Marketing is based on the thinking about the business in terms of customer needs and their satisfaction, right? And of course, through the marketing you are going to advertise your product, your service into the internet, right? Wherever the possible platform you are going to like market your product or services into the wherever you want, but to applying the right approach in the marketing, right? And most of the customers don't know about like they are not having the security or stability in their businesses, right? but they have to think like marketing is a ongoing process. It is an ongoing process. It is not that if you will do once and it will continue for a longer period. No, it will not, right? Marketing is something you have to invest money and you have to like continue your process till the time you want the benefit from that, right? If you have invested 1 rupee into the your product or services, in return you want at least 4 to 5 rupees, right? This is called the revenue, return on investment, ROI, right? You want that from that business. So marketing, in the marketing, it is a key money maker process, and it is something that you have to continue the process till the time you want the benefit. Also, why I'm saying marketing is based on the thinking about the businessman in terms of the customer needs and their satisfaction, right? Let's suppose if you have any products, product could be anything. You are selling the laptops, okay? Take the example of your laptops, phones and mouse. You are going to selling the electronic products. You have the products and you want to market them. So you just entered into the internet business, and like you have chosen one platform, and you are just saying, okay, uh, purchase my product, buy my product. What? No, it is not. You cannot force anyone to buy or purchase your product, right? Marketing is something wherein you are creating a healthy relationship with your audience. Got it? It's not like you are forcing someone to buy your product in the very first attempt. Then and only you will not get the loyal customers, you will not get the customers for your business, because in the there is a process. I'm saying why I'm focusing into the process or the sequence. You have to follow that process or sequence into the marketing. Like, first of all, you should be ready with your product or service, and you have already like a thing that I'm going to purchase the only, I'm going to promote my electronic products, right? Your electronic product should have the online presence. Online presence is that you should have the website, right? If you should have a website, a small website, if you are not having a bigger website, then you can start from the small website. So at least you should have the website to promote your business into the internet, right? This is the one thing. If you are ready with your product, and you are having the understanding about your product, and you having the online presence of your product, okay? First thing. Second thing, you should know about your audience. This is the most important thing in the entire session. You will be ready to like understand what could be your audience and to whom you can target, right? So second important thing, you should know about your audience, to whom you are going to target, right? Let's suppose I am selling the mobile phones. So you have to investigate, you have to find out to whom you can sell the mobiles, right? You cannot sell the mobile of 4 to 5 years of kids, right? You can sell your mobile from the 15 to 12 to 60, right? This could be the range, this could be the age group of your audience. I'm just taking the example, right? So this one of the feature is like, you have to find out you are going to target male or female, you are going to target in which age group, right? And you are going to target your business in which location. Location is important because digital marketing gives you a specific way of the targeting. So this is very important, right? So this is one thing. Because you should aware from the your audience, what are the characteristics of your audience, what are the behavior of your audience, what are their interest of that product. Then and only you will be able to write targeting, okay? The third thing is very important. You have to choose the platform. The platform is like, you have to if you have the website, you have the target audience, you having the understanding of the everything. Now you need to find out the right platform to target your product, okay? Platform could be anything. It could be the SEO, it could be the social media marketing, it could be the search engine marketing, it could be the email marketing, it could be the traditional way of the marketing. So these are the platforms you need to choose very wisely to target to promote your business. So in this I hope everybody is aware now the marketing term and what is the process of the marketing. Put yes if you having any question, then you can ask me here very quickly, please. Okay, yes, yes. I want everybody should involve in this 3 hour session so that you can gain more and more knowledge here. Yeah, please, everyone. Yes, yes. Who else? Krati? Okay, fine. Okay, fine, fine. So I have already like elaborate this slide. The what are the marketing mindsets you should have? Marketing is a key money maker process. It is understood. And I have told you it is an ongoing process. It is not that something you have done once and stopped it, because once you will stop your marketing process, you will not get anything from that. Your revenue will be stopped. Okay, according to my knowledge, why getting less output with social media instead of SEO? See, no, like Nikhil, both the platform having their importance. Social media is something different, and SEO wherein you are optimizing your website, right? In the social I will explain you like in the coming slides. We will have the entire social media session in this, so I will make you understand in that your question. You can like remember your question, and when I'll come to the social media session, you can like paste your question again. Okay, so we are here the marketing mindsets, it is done. Okay, we are here to making the healthy relationship with the customers. Okay, and customer hate to be sold. I have already like told you, like in the very first attempt, you should not force or ask anyone to buy your product, right? Successful marketing is when you create a marketing process and sequence. I've told you, with the product, with the targeted audience, with the right platform. Okay, so find customers where they are, not where you want them to be. Never expect them to find you. Okay, these are the different mindsets you should know about these. Okay, now yes, somebody is into the traditional marketing, right? So here I am explaining you the things of the traditional business, like what you need into the traditional businesses, right? So traditional marketing is a very oldest way of the marketing, right? You have seen that for the traditional marketing you will require a lot of thing means you need a place, a store, right? You need goods for that, and you need staff, and you need a infrastructure, and you need a very like a team to maintain that, those goods, those staff, everything. You need electricity, right? These are the basic things you have to, like if you are planning to set up your traditional business, means these are the initial things which you require to set up your business, right? After that, once you will start with the traditional marketing promotion, what you need, because you are not promoting your business online, because you are not into the internet, you are going to promote your business through traditional. So there are a lot of things you require into the traditional marketing. The billboards, right? Billboards, you will take the help of the print media, like newspaper ads, magazines, brochures, and definitely you will need the newsletters, geography, and flyers, books, everything you will require into the traditional business. Okay, so traditional business is something that is a very costly process, and you cannot there is no specific targeting into the traditional business. Okay, so it is a very costly process as compared to the digital marketing. These all are the things you will require into the traditional business. And you can see already here the initial investment. If you are planning to have a traditional business, the initial investment would be around 2 lakh to 3 lakhs, and monthly maintenance would be this. As compared to the digital marketing, it is very high. It is very high because if being a fresher, if being an entrepreneur who have just started their business, they will not think like they can invest 2 to 3 lakhs, because in return they will not there is no guarantee that in return he or she will get something, because there is no guarantee. But in digital marketing you have the guarantee, right? If you have invested something into the digital marketing, then you will have the surety that your money will back to you. Okay, you will making benefits from the digital marketing. So this is something, the traditional business, and the initial investment and the monthly maintenance. So this is all about the traditional business. Now there is a difference between the traditional versus digital marketing. Okay, so like the reach, why I am using this term reach. Reach is something that if you you have the message, right? You just want to spread your message to the number of the audience, right? In the traditional marketing you would not able to spread your message to the maximum number of the audience. It is limited. If you have used the billboards, so that billboards only seen by the uh, the area in which people are living, or people are coming to that area. So if you have put the billboards, means that the reach of that billboards is not that higher, right? But if you have chosen the digital marketing, that means your reach would be higher in that, and you targeting very specific in that. If you want to target the Australia, if you want to target the USA, and different international level, if you want to target, or if you want to target state level, national level, international level, then this facility is very much available into the digital marketing. That's why we are approaching you. We are giving you the solution that digital marketing is the best way to promote your business. And the price is already, it's very expensive, and it's not that much expensive. And I have told you, in the traditional marketing there is no guarantee that you will take the ROI from this, but in digital marketing there is a surety that you will definitely get the guaranteed ROI from the digital marketing. I hope everybody is well understood from the difference between the traditional and the digital marketing. Please write down the yes if you understood the difference between both the terms. Okay, Alok said yes, yes, yes. Great, great. Fine, fine. Yes, ROI. Krati asked that how ROI is assured in digital marketing. Kriti, I'm giving you the example. Let's you are the manufacturer. Okay, you are the manufacturer of the clothes, and you have started to like you want to sell your t-shirts, shirts, tops, jeans, pants. Okay, and you have like set up your business in this, and once you have invested already 2 to 3 lakhs, in return what you want, right? If your product is into the online market, means if somebody will purchase your product, definitely you are getting money from that. If you have like made your top in 100 rupees, and you have mentioned the prices in 200 to 300, and somebody is buying that, so if you are getting that much of benefit, means you have prepared in 100 rupees and you are in a benefit, you are taking the 200 rupees. So that is the benefit. In terms, you have to calculate like how much you have invested, and you have to like segregate your amount. The investment amount is separate, and the rest of the amount would be your benefit. It will be called as ROI for you in digital marketing. I will let you know in the like detailed session in upcoming session this term, definitely. Okay, so traditional is done. Fine. These are the limitations I have already told you, like why it is a high cost, high maintenance. There are the liabilities you have: rent, labor, electricity, dead investment for the stocking products, high cost of promotion to get customers. It is a very time taking process and limited by time and geography. It is already done. These are the limitations with the traditional businesses. These limitations are not happening with the digital marketing. That's why you should go for the digital marketing. So limitations is done, and now we are slowly coming to the internet business, right? So internet is something that you can earn money while you are sleeping. You can like, you don't have any security issues in this. You don't have liabilities in that. You are not paying for the electricity. You are not paying for your resources. What do you need? You just need a laptop and the internet. That's it. The later on things I will explain you what you need, etc. for this. So these are the things basically you require to start a internet business. If you have mobile phone, if you have laptop, if you have connection, definitely you are the upcoming entrepreneur. You could be the freelancer, you could be anything, right? So I'm hiding this slide, and because I just want to the answer from all of you guys. If anybody knows like what is the India's rank in internet users, where India is ranking? Does anybody know? No. Okay, you should know like where our country is ranking. Okay. Okay, only Chandrakant said no. Fine. Here is a graph, world internet users ranking. Okay, see, in the first number we have the China, where China population is really into the internet, and India is ranking into the second number. RecentlyIndia surpassed the USA users. Previously USA were ranking into the second number, but now into the as per the 2017 results, India is ranking to the second number. So this is the growth of India, and why it has happened. Does anyone know this, why it has happened, why India surpassed the USA? No. Yes, population matters, but there are a lot of factors which matters except population. Digital India scheme. What else? What else? Yes, anybody? Yes, yes. This is like Krati has written Geo. Everybody heard about like Modi scheme. Modi everywhere Modi is saying digital India, we are digitally. You are seeing like everything is promoting into the digital, right? And the most of the things in India, if you will go to the rural areas, wherein you can see everybody is using the mobile phones, the smartphones, because the cost of the smartphones is reduced. You can easily purchase a smartphone within 5 to 7, 5 to 10,000, within 5 to 10,000. So this is the reason, that's why India surpasses USA users, because the internet prices is reduced. Geo gives us the free internet users, that's why everybody is able to access the internet, right? So these all are the factors, that's why India is becoming the highest number of the internet users. Got it? Great. Okay. And this is the assumption that currently 44.3% is users are online, but in coming 2020 internet users will be exceed with the 54.6 percentage. So this is the assumption, and you can see the graph, 44 to 54.6 percentage in 2020. So this is the assumption. Got it? And you should aware from this, because nowadays the users are like increasing day by day. Everybody is coming to the online. So that's why online businesses is making much benefits from the internet. Okay. So I have shown you the slide wherein the traditional marketing need 2 to 3 lakhs and monthly maintenance around 15 to 20,000. But in internet business, what I told you, there is the initial investment is nil, monthly maintenance is nil. Got it? So this is one of the thing why internet businesses are much popular. Advantage of the internet business is low cost of the initial investment. There would be some cost, definitely there would be some cost. If you are going to start your business, if you don't have website, wherein you have to like purchase your domain, you have to host your domain, and you have to like entry your services or products into the website, means you have to create or build your website. So that is that much not costly. You can easily purchase the domain in very low cost and host your website, and you can find the developer. If you are the developer, then definitely you can also create the website, build the website, and if you are not, then definitely you can hire someone who can really prepare your website in a very less amount. So this is the initial investment. So it is not that much costly as compared to the traditional business, right? And the low maintenance, why I'm saying the low maintenance cost, because if you have purchased your domain for 1 year, that means you have to like renew your domain into the second year. But if you like initially you have purchased your domain for 5 to 10 years, means after 5 to 10 years you have to renew your domain, right? So this is a maintenance cost, and that is also not that much high, right? And there is no rent, electricity, labor, no dead investments. Okay. And you can recover your investment faster, like if you have already come up with your website, means if you have started your promotion and you are getting so much of audiences, and you are getting the responses from the audiences what you want, then you can easily recover your investment faster as compared to the traditional marketing. So there is no limitation of the time and geography, like in any time you can work, and in any geography you can work, right? And your reach would be higher, means if you want to like if you want only USA customers, then traditional is the way that will not reach to the USA, right? Online is the way that you can reach to the USA customers only, because there is a segregation that you have to divide your customers to whom you are going to target. If you are going to target only Australian customers, that means you have to like promote your business into the Australian audience only, right? Everybody, I'm taking the 5 minutes break. Everybody is okay with this? Okay, okay. Great, great. So I would suggest you everyone, please, you can, if you want to drink water and something, so please, right now is 6:55, right? And we will start this session at 7. Okay, don't miss. Please come on time at 7. Okay, thank you. everyone, I'm back. If you are back, please write down yes in the chat window. And I'm seeing like a few of the candidate just joined now, like Pranjali, and there are two Sumit, and you have joined recently. I would request you everyone, like, don't miss your session webinar, because if you will miss, like, you will lose lot of thing in this, because we have already in 1 hour session we have discussed about the marketing, how it is started, and what is the difference between traditional and digital marketing. So you have missed this session, and I suggest you, like, just refer the recording of the 1 hour session. But from the next time, I request you everyone, be on time, don't miss any session of the digital marketing, because it would not be good for you, right? Agreed. Okay. So now I'm starting again. Okay. So the advantage of the internet business, I told you, like, if you are sleeping, you can earn, right? Because it is something I'm correlating with the paid ads, the paid advertising, because you want to, like, your business, you want to target the UK customers, you want to target the USA customers, right? And their time zone is different as per the Indian timing. Definitely your ad, you can, like, schedule your advertisement at USA time, so you are sleeping but you are earning from the paid ads. So this is the example of the while you are earning, and you can earn a lot from the internet business. So the I want to all of you, I want to know from all of you, like, there are the many traditional way of this shopping, like, past, if we see the past, then the way of the shopping was very different, because we have to visit the store, we have to visit the shops to purchase anything, right? Definitely. But nowadays, you don't need to visit these stores. You don't need to go anywhere. If you want vegetables, you don't need to go anywhere. If you want milk, you can get the milk in your home, right? So this is how digitally India and worldwide it is growing, right? So the traditional way of the shopping is almost going to be shut down, right? I'm not saying it is going to be shut down completely, but online it is taking the advantage, right? So I want all of you, if you are aware from the any uh, uh, latest way of the shopping sites, just write down the name of the any e-commerce site, if you know. Food Panda. Oh, Sumit, you are using the Food Panda very well. Great. Yeah, everybody, please quickly write the if you are aware from the e-commerce sites from which you are usually shopping something. Only Sumit written. Nobody. Yes, Alibaba. Okay, Alibaba. Mr. Needs Grofers. Yes, Grofers. Add me basket. India Mart, Mantra. Okay. Krati is usually shopping from the Mantra. That's great. Make My Trip. It is a shopping. It is not a shopping portal. Make My Trip is something you are planning your holidays, and you want to book your package. So Make My Trip is something. Yes, Sumit Agrawal, you are frequently using the Make My Trip. Okay, you like the traveling. Okay, fine. Yes, great, great. So, like, I'm seeing that all of you are very much involved into the these online shopping portals or shopping sites, or the internet sites. So you all are the part of the digital, because you are seeing the latest updates, frequent updates, and everything you are seeing into the digitally. So you all are aware from that, which is really very good, because I am not seeing no one who are not aware from these things. So this is the advantage of all of you. So there are few sites which have been emerged a lot Flipkart, Amazon, Snapdeal, eBay, and even if you are using your Facebook, everybody is having the Facebook account. Everybody, okay. So you can also join me in my Facebook account. You can search with the name of DP Chaudhary. I'm right down in the chat window. It is not compulsory that you need to send me the request, but it is just for understanding so that in later process I can help you anytime, anywhere. So it is just like I have created my profile, and even I have created my Facebook page in this. So I want all of you, like, you should have your Facebook profile or Facebook pages, so that you should know about the social media marketing as well. This concept will coming later on, the social media marketing, and it is a very vast and very exciting field of the digital marketing, right? So this is about like Flipkart, Amazon, Snapdeal, eBay. Anybody knows the like anybody know about the revenue of the Amazon? It is the international brand. Previously Amazon works into the only India, but they have grown up their business and they are now into the international level. Anybody know the in billions? Great, great. Definitely it is in billions. So Amazon is earning in billion, means $43 billion is the annual revenue of the Amazon, right? eBay is also an international brand, and Flipkart and Snapdeal is not. They are into the India, and they are like a Snapdeal revenue annually is 933 crore. Okay. Yes, yes. Sumit is, I think you having the information about this. That's great. So this is like something, these are the platforms emerged and grown up in a way because they are using the marketplace as a marketplace and giving the opportunity to everyone to tie up with them, and to, like, if you are having not your website and you are not planning to have your website, but you are having the products, you are the manufacturer of some organization and you are manufacturer of some products, then you should not worry about it all. You can tie up with these kind of the marketplaces to sell or sell your businesses or your products, because they will create your separate section in that and they will list your product in that. And anybody, if anybody will find good your product, they can definitely purchase or buy from your, right, from these portals. So these are the portals are helping to the everyone. That's why they are reached in the billions, right? And in the search, Google search, you are seeing like many emerging social media shopping portals. I'm seeing in the like yebi.com. If somebody is yebi.com, Shah Rukh Khan gives the ad for yepme.com, right? And there are Agio, right? And Glory is also the one of the site. It is like becoming so much popular. Limeroad is also. So I'm just after these platforms, there are a lot of site in the list who are coming into the search, who are coming to make themselves popular by taking the advantage of the social media platform or the search or the search engine marketing, right? So this is something. Everything is happened into the online now. See, this is something I have included the success story of the Pixie Fair. Um, सो पिक्सी फेयर का एक वेबसाइट है ये, एंड ये वेबसाइट का जो सक्सेस स्टोरी आई हैव इंक्लूडेड, लाइक दिस इज अ वेबसाइट फ्रॉम द यूएसए, right? And this is a story of the Cinnamon and Jason. Cinnamon is a female and Jason is the male. Jason is like working somewhere, and Cinnamon was the voice went up. Okay, now it's fine. So, Cinnamon and Jason. Cinnamon was the finest. was the finest designer, and both are having a 6 years old girl, and they just want to set up their businesses, but like they don't know from where and how they need to start. So cinnamon tried to find out the interest area of her daughter, right? And her daughter is more interested into the uh, dolls, clothes. So cinnamon find out like, oh, the girl is really fascinated with the dolls clothes. So she come up with the idea, because she was the finest designer. She started to sing the clothes patterns making craft businesses she has started. And जब वो एक किटी पार्टी होती थी तो वहां पर जाती थी, तो लोग सकती हो, ये आपने बनाया है, क्या आप मेरे लिए भी बना सकती हो, ये आपने अपनी बच्ची के लिए बनाया है, क्या आप मेरे लिए भी बना सकते हो? तो this is how they have started their business online, right? Nowadays, if you will see this website online, the per month revenue is $50,000, because they have started. Initially they were like a tie up with the eBay in 2008, but now they have reached their largest marketplace into the Pixie Fair, and they have the 50 designers. Even they have started the training courses as well, right? So this is something, it is a success story of e-commerce portal. This is how you can also start your business. I have like included this success story just to exciting you, because this is something that every e-commerce platform having their success stories. This is one of them. I have taken this story from the USA, right? Okay. Now we are coming to the important thing. What is the digital marketing? Yes. What is the digital marketing? What is the digital? Everybody, if you know, if you know about the digital marketing, any single word if you want to write down in the chat window, you can write. Can you hear me? Okay, okay. Okay, of course, it is a marketing. If you are using the digital marketing, means you are using the internet. Yes, Chandrakant. Yes, it's a language using binary codes. No, it is not something that who have written Sumit. It's not that something. Digital marketing is different. You are talking in terms of the coding and all. It's not that. It will come later. So if you are using your internet, if you are having your presence into the emails, you are checking your emails, if you are using your mobiles, if everything is happening in these things, means you are digitally present. Digital is something that it is into the internet, email, mobile, laptop, desktop. So this is, you are into the digital world. So digital marketing is just a process wherein you are reaching to your customers by taking the advantage of the digital platform, right? It could be anything: the internet, laptop, mobile, emails, mobile apps, SMS, WhatsApp marketing, anything. It could be anything. So you are just reaching with your customers and engaging your customers through digital media, right? Yeah, that's my question also. Is DM software based or any language to learn? See, there are Krati in digital marketing, there do have some technical terms as well. Like SEO is something that, which is somewhat technical. So when we will come to the SEO part, I will explain you what technical things are required into the digital marketing, because in this session you are going to cover the jargons and the digital terms, the technical terms. I will make you understand, I will make you helpful, so that you are aware from the technical terms. But later on, yes, if you are doing the search engine optimization, means you are optimizing your website, you would require some skills which comes into the technicality. That is not difficult. If you are not from the technical background, even though you can apply that technique. No, it's not like you don't need to learn the computer coding. No, it's not, Alo. but I will definitely explain you what you need basically. uh, what are the technicalities needed in the digital marketing, but it is a very simple as possible, like it is very simple. If you have the understanding, you can start your digital marketing, right? So everything is clear about the digital marketing. What is the digital marketing? If you are reaching your customers using the digital media, this is your digital marketing. So this is something like I have mentioned. So everybody is having the misconception, oh, traditional marketing is different, oh, internet marketing is different. Yeah, all are different, but these all are the things coming under the digital marketing, right? Because you have seen basically digital marketing is here, and TV, SMS, radio, billboards, these all are the terms using into the traditional marketing, but it these all are the coming into the digital marketing part. And digital marketing is divided into the traditional and the into the internet marketing. Internet marketing is also having the search part, right? Into this internet marketing, so, internet marketing under search marketing is coming to the internet marketing, and into the search marketing we have the two terms, SEO and PPC. SEO stands for the search engine optimization. Yes, everybody, SEO is stand for the search engine optimization. And Gunjan said, what is the PPC? PPC is pay per click. Whenever if somebody will like land your like somebody search any keyword into the Google in any search engine, and they have like they have to click on your ad, then and only they will redirect your website or product based services, right? So for that purpose, you have to be, it is paid. PPC comes into the paid, like spam. Sumit, you are asking the in regard of what? No, PPC is not spam. If you are asking this, we will cover this in later. Like I'm on torrent. Okay, you have to write down the complete question in once, because I am taking this session for everyone. Okay, I am redirected to other web. Okay. So PPC comes under affiliate marketing. No, affiliate marketing is different. We will explain in this session affiliate marketing. What is the affiliate marketing? What are the affiliates? What are the merchants? And how you can take the benefits of the affiliate marketing. Definitely, I will make you understand. I'm giving you the short exercise shortly, right? Because all are the terms which is mentioned here. You should have the clear understanding, what is the social media, what is the content marketing, what are the banner ads, what is the email marketing, what is the mobile marketing, and how you can differentiate between the SEO and PPC. So I'm going to give you the short exercise here, so you all of you will very well aware from these terms, these technical terms. If you are finding these terms as a technical, so you all will be aware from these terms. Okay. So social media marketing is something. Social media is like is the form of the internet marketing, as you can see, right? And you wherein you are utilizing these social media sites, right, as a marketing tool, right? Social media sites could be Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube, right? Flickr and Pinterest. This could be anything. So you are taking you are utilizing the social media sites as a tool, and you are producing the content in those social media sites, and your users are sharing those contents, and within their social network, so that it can help you, it can, social media can help you to increase the brand exposure and broaden customer reach. So social media can help you to generate a lot of traffic for your website, and if traffic will come, definitely user will like your product, they will purchase, they will buy. And social media is something that is for the branding and brand awareness. You are awareing about your product with the help of the social media, with the help of the different platforms of the social media. So this is social media. Now what is the search engine optimization? So I am going to the next slide. So here is a simple exercise for all of you. I just want to all of you like whether you can also go to the Google or yes, everybody, everybody. Where are the question section? Okay. So if you are seeing this ad means four, a maximum four ads you can see once you will click, once you want to search any keyword into the Google, right? Into the Google is the search engine. Google is the search engine. So similarly, there are a lot of search engine is Yahoo, Bing, Google, Alt Vista, MSN. So I'm using the like Google here because it is so popular and trendy and it is giving a very exact information. So I am like using the Google here, and I have written the local keyword. What are the local keywords? Does anyone know what are the local keyword? Anybody know? Write down in the chat window. No, ma'am. Used by people. Okay. Mm-hmm. Dental clinic. Delhi dental clinic. Okay. 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 To search something on internet, definitely we are searching something on internet. Okay, I am explaining you what are the local keywords. Local keywords are the keywords which consist any location, are the localized, because I have written Delhi, so it is a local keyword, right? If I will click the dental clinic, that means that will not be localized. So I have written the dental clinic in Delhi, so this keyword will gives you the result which comes in the Delhi location. If you want to search your keyword localized, then you can also do into the Google. If you want the global results, then go for the google.com, not in India, right? Because Google is like something, it is happened very specific, it gives a very specific results to everyone, right? It is not giving the fake results, or that results is not appropriate for you, so it is not that. Google is some nowadays giving a very exact result. If you want to search into the India location, you can see co.in means you are, this Google is for the India, and in India you want the results for the Delhi, right? So this is something clear with the local keyword, and it is the keyword. Keyword is some set of the words which you use to search something, to search the websites into the Google, right? And now I'm explaining the difference between the SEO and PPC. Okay, so the if you are seeing the ad, so these four results is coming from the PPC. It is called pay per click. If I it will be, if I will click in this means you have to pay for me, you have to pay to Google to click on this, right? So you have like set up your accounts into the AdWords, Google AdWords, and then and only these results are coming with the help of the PPC. Okay, so these all are the paid results, these are not the organic results. You have to pay for this, for each click you have to pay, right? These all are the local results. Search is different now. So these are the dental clinics which are situated in into the Delhi location. So they are giving their addresses, phone numbers, and names and all. And after that, you are seeing these results, right? These results in this. I have set because 100 results you are seeing in my Google, but if you will not set any settings in that, then you will see the 10 results. So apart from the four paid results, all of the results you are seeing which are the organic results, means you are not paying anything to display those results. Those are coming with the help of organic results. Everybody understand the difference between the paid and organic results? Okay. So search engine marketing, like these results are coming into the top, means this clinic practo.com is coming into the first number if I will consider the organic results only. So this result is coming to the first number. So why this is coming into the first number? Google is having the certain guidelines. Google is having the certain guidelines. Google will not give you the opportunity to come on the top without optimizing your website, right? If your website is not optimized, if your website is not having the healthy content, if your website is not using the uh, is not fulfilling the technical guidelines, your website speed is very low, your website is not mobile responsive, your website is not having the on page features in that, you are not supposed that Google will rank your website into the first number, right? So there are more than 200 to 300 factors which you should apply to your website to come on to the top without paying anything, right? So if this website is coming to the top, means it already fulfilled the guidelines of the Google. That's why it is coming into the top. Understood, everyone? Everyone understood? Write down yes. Okay. Because in later session I will make you understand what are the necessary features you need to apply to rank your website into the top, right? Because if your website is coming into the Google first page, means your website is coming into the first to 10 results, means your website is optimized, right? Because you are saying when I have searched this this dental clinic in Delhi, there are 12. How these much of results are available when I am searching this keyword? This keyword is competitive enough. Means these are having this much of the results. So from among this much of the results, if you want to rank your website into the Google first page without paying Google to anything, then and only you have to apply all the Google guidelines, which I will explain you later in the upcoming sessions, right? But if you want to come to the top without your website is not optimized but you want to come into the top, so you have to pay Google for that. These four sites paid to the Google to come in the top, means they have like a bidding is done. They for every click they are paying some amount to the Google. Then and only users are going to the their website, because if there is a user's tendency, like if they will see the first 2 4 results, definitely they will click there, right? So that's why everybody wants to be on the top. If they want to pay, then they are paying for that purpose. But these results are showing till the time you are paying to the Google. Once you will stop to paying to the Google, these results will not be visible here. So this is the difference, the PPC and SEO. But in SEO, if your website is optimized, means it is coming to the top number one. So if it is not related with the paying, this website is coming to the top, means this website will come to the top. Definitely there could be some variations, it will come to the second number or third number, but it will remain same, like the numbers will remain same. So you are seeing the difference. For the PPC you have to pay every time, but in SEO you don't need to pay. So it is a better opportunity. Once you go once you rather starting your business with the PPC, just start your website with the SEO, means keep optimize your website so that you don't need to pay every time to the Google. Your website keep remain into the top. Got it? So this is something SEO and PPC. And now I am just showing the another example. I have given you the difference of the local keyword and shoes for men, right? So similarly, previously, I am giving the example. Previously, you were seeing the text ads. See, there is no images, right? The ads, the URL. This is the URL, guys. This is the URL. This is the heading, and this is the description of that ad. This is the site links. Because Google AdWord is also enhanced, it gives the opportunity to include the site links into the ads. You can also make your ad better. Here you can see that they have included the site links. Okay, you can also have the facility to add the site links, amount, everything you can include that. But now I am searching with the different keywords, shoes for man, right? You are seeing the images of that product, right? And you are seeing like this is from the Adidas, this is from the Amazon, this is from the Mantra. So these ads are the shopping ads, which is different from the text ads. In the text ads you will not here you haven't added the images, but in the shopping ads you have added the, you can add the images. So this is something different. This is also the paid. If you have seen the sponsored, that means it is paid. It is paid, right? And after that, the second result is also paid. Now this time the four ads are not coming, only two ads are coming, paid ad. And after that you are seeing Mantra is something that optimize their site very well, that's why it is coming into the first number. And after that Jabong, after that Amazon is coming, and then Snapdeal is coming, Shop Clues, and after that local results are also having Limeroad, I have already, Tata Click. So these Flipkart, so these all are the sites are coming. This is the second variations of the Google. Because if you have changed your keywords, Google is also changing. Google is showing the images of the shoes. Because how you can identify this footwear for men sneakers? Because if this site will add the images of the shoes, that would be better. User can relate, oh, I need that kind of the shoes, I will click on only that link which I am really looking for. If I am looking for the formal shoes, I will click on this, right? If I'm looking the casual shoes, I can definitely click on this. So this is something is happening into the Google. Okay. Now I'm seeing, before you are coming this session, everybody maybe checked about the marketing courses details. Everybody who have checked before coming this session, please write down. Does anyone checked into the Google the marketing courses? What are the companies providing the courses? Does anybody did the Google? Yes, Sumit, you have did the Google. That's great. So there are some organizations who are coming with the digital marketing courses, and after that these are the organic results, and this is something the revenue is coming, right? Sorry, not the revenue, it is the rating. It is the ratings. 5-star rating is coming. So marketing courses deals. So this is how Google is changing, and it is keep changing their results. If I am written the Amitabh Bachchan, right? So Google is now changed their you can see it is all about the Amitabh Bachchan, right? You can see in the news is Amitabh there, and this is the knowledge graph, guys. Take a note, this is a knowledge graph. In the sidebar, in the knowledge graph, you have everything in this, what kind of the songs they have, their history, Amitabh, when Amitabh born, height of the Amitabh, and their spouses, children, songs, in which movies they have performed, Janjeer, Diwal, Sholay, and the Amitabh Bachchan profiles, right? Everything you can create, everything you can the create. Knowledge graph is something which is coming for the celebrities, books, famous places. It is not showing for everything. Knowledge graph is the update which comes in 2011 in India. right? Then and only we were able to see such kind of the results into the Google, right? If I will does anyone know the favorite book, any popular book, any popular book? If you know, you can write down in the chat window. I will Google it. Two states. Okay, hope you have seen this movie. Very nice movie. I have also see. I told you that is coming for the knowledge graph is something which is coming for the celebrities, which is coming for the famous books, which is coming for the famous food, and which is coming for the locations, the popular location, right? So, rich dad, poor dad. Alok said this. Okay, I have like as of now I have searched for the two states. So these results are coming with the two states. Okay, so you can see two states, the images. This is something which is coming from the, okay, songs are coming, profiles. So this is how Google is changing their results. So with this short exercise, I hope you all are aware the basic difference between the search engine optimization, pay per click, and what are the organic results and what are the paid results, and how Google is changing their results whenever you are changing, whenever you are tweaking your keywords, whenever you are applying your keywords in different level, how Google is changing. Everybody is aware now. As of now, I am understanding everybody is aware from this. If agreed, then write the yes so that I can proceed ahead. Only Alok said yes. Nikhil said yes. Okay, Sumit, yes. Who else? Who else? There are 12 attendees. I want everyone to write the yes if everybody is understood about the difference between the organic and paid results. Chandrakant says yes, yes. Gunjan, okay. Fine, fine. Amit Garg, if Amit is there. Okay. So in the second slide, SEO and SEM, which I have already did the practical in the practical way, I have make you understood. See, currently you are seeing the difference into the Google. The only these results are showing here, right? Previously, I'm going. Okay, I'm going back. Okay, so here you are seeing paid ads in the top section, right? But in this slide, why I have added this slide? To make you aware, like previously Google was showing the paid ads here in the top section, in the right hand side section, in the footer section. After 10 results, two or three results were coming as a paid results. But Google enhance their enhance their algorithm, right? Now Google is not showing the uh, paid results in the right hand side, right? It is showing the results into the only top section. So Google is also changing their algorithms. So if Google change this algorithm, then marketer have to be ready to apply the marketing skills so that they can leverage the digital marketing, right? So now I am proceeding with the. I'm opening the question window. It is hidden so that I can reply your questions as well. Okay. So that's why I have mentioned this. And this is also this is the screenshot from the old Google's results. You are seeing the ads are showing here is also and here is also. and after that Amazon in was the organic results. So previously Google was showing this kind of the results into the Google search engines, right? Now it is changed. It is changed like this. You can see the paid results here, and here are the organic results. For the organic results, you are not going to pay anything to the Google. The only thing you need to apply the right approach, right skills, right strategy to uh, to to up your website into the Google, right? But into the paid results, these results will show till the time you are paying to the Google. Once you stop to paying to the Google, these results will not be displayed anymore, right? So this is the difference, basic difference on the paid and organic results. Hope you understood this. Okay, I am proceeding with the next. Yes, SEM paid ads paid. Are SEM ads paid? Yes. See, Alok, search engine marketing, right? In the search engine marketing is the term which is the uh, everything will come under this would be paid into the search engine marketing. Like this is the PPC is coming, right? If you are doing your ads into the YouTube, this will come into the search engine marketing, right? If you are doing your ads into the AdSense, right, this will also come into the search engine marketing. The search engine marketing is a big word, which is everything will come under this as a paid advertisements, right? So PPC is one term. You can say that PPC is a subset of the SCM. SCM is the superset, right? So this is the difference. Okay, I'm proceeding ahead. So Google search results and the AdWord results, right? Google is something which is showing the results as search results and AdWord results. The AdWord results which I'm talking is the paid results, and the search results which I'm talking in as the organic results. So if anybody will ask you what is the difference between the organic and paid, you should able to explain to anyone what is the difference. What is the Google AdWord? Google AdWord is a Google tool which gives you facility to run the paid ads into the search engines. You want to run your paid ads to the display networks or to the Google network, right? So you would be able to run your ads through Google AdWord channel, right? Banner ads is something different. Banner ads are different, which is also coming into the Google AdWord account. So in the Google AdWord, we run two types of the ads: search network and the display network. Search network, I have make you aware, in the Google search results, whatever the paid ads you are seeing, which are the search results, right? Search ads. But if you are seeing the ads in the another sites, like I have opened any sites in the blog site wherein you are seeing the banner ads, right? So those are the ads which comes to the display network. So don't be confused right now, because I am just making you aware from these terms, because later on we will do the everything in practical, so that you would aware like what is the search marketing, what is the display marketing. So I have just make you aware with the term display network and the search network. Search network is very much simple, and display network wherein you will see the banner ads into the different kind of the websites, because Google AdWords having the n number of the website which shows the banner ads to those websites. There is some kind of the amount you have to pay to the Google AdWord, and then Google will show their results to the display sites. Okay, so this is very basic thing, how Google is like showing you the results. How Google, when I have like put down the dental clinic in Delhi, so why practo.com is coming to the top, and after that so many website is coming. I'm just taking the top 10 website or top 5 websites which are coming into the Google. So how Google like list their websites, and those are coming into the first, second, third, fourth, fifth number. Those websites are only coming to the first, second, third, fourth number, right? How? See, Google is once you will put anything into the Google receive as a query, right? and then Google have the database, right, wherein every data is listed of the website, right? So once you will put any query like dog, you have mentioned the dog, and Google will find out the relevant database, right? So if you have written the dog, so Google will search with the term of the dog. In the docs, he will Google will it will map like Google, where Google is seeing the dog word, right? So it will relate, map, and after that it will rank documents. Got it? So Google is showing the results as per the relevancy. So slowly you are going to understand, if you want to rank your website on top, it means relevancy is matter. Do you understand? Relevancy is matter means, if I have written the digital marketing courses detail. So if my website is coming, if this website is coming, Digital Vidya is coming, Digital Deepak is coming, that means they have listed about the digital marketing courses thing into their landing page, right? So that then and how Google relate the results with the Digital Vidya, and that's why it is ranking here. Got it? Similarly, I am taking the examples of the dental clinic in Delhi. So if I have asked query to the Google dental clinics in Delhi, so the practo.com is coming, right? So they have you can find out the words they have mentioned here. That's why Google is map these sites, and they rank these sites in that manner. It is coming into the top, and sites who are coming into the top means they have the relevancy features, right? So make sure whenever you are going to optimize your keyword, whenever you are going to target your keyword, if you have taken the keyword like a social media marketing company, right? So you should have the one landing page, or your website should be for that social media marketing thing. Then and only your website will come to the top. Got it? So relevancy is one of the most important feature. If somebody is you can see that Delhi word is here, dentist word is here, right? Everything is here. That's why this result is coming. I've already explained you the AdWord thing in a very detail, right? So how AdWord is the ads up once you will write down anything, right? It's not, I'm saying it's not about the Google AdWord only. It's not about the Google AdWord. mm, just a minute. Yes, yes. If I have written any query here, so Google will map this query with the relevant databases. So similarly, this guideline is also applicable in the paid marketing terms as well. Your campaign, whichever the campaign you have created, that campaign is only for the dental clinic in Delhi, then and only your paid results will come. If you are seeing best dental clinic in Delhi, so you can see the relevancy in this. The keyword is really very matched with this paid results. And this is something, if somebody is searching for the dental clinic in Delhi, they will go for the make an appointment. They will make an appointment with this website. So they very cleverly, very smartly, they have mentioned these site links so that user will not they do not want to lose user, because they are paying for for each click. That's why if somebody will click on the if somebody will click on this, then easily they can redirect to the make an appointment page. So in the paid results, voice is not coming. Everybody is facing the problem. Krati, Sumit, my voice is not coming. Hello. Yes, coming. Okay, okay. Yeah, please make sure me if my voice is coming. Then I will proceed only. It's audible. Okay. Sumit is audible. Okay. Sumit, please check your connection as well. If you are facing this issue, you can like disconnect the Go webinar, and then you can reconnect with it, so that my voice would be audible for you. Okay. Okay. Great. 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 Sumit. Great. Okay. Yeah, your voice is audible. Okay. Okay. Fine. So I'm proceeding with the next slide. Okay. Thank you. So I have spoken the relevancy feature, which is the most important update for the Google, because Google have launched too many updates with this. The freshness is one, right? Freshness and relevancy. Semantic search is also an important thing. If you are going to put any query, then Google will like map your query and then give back to you the results with the relevancy, right? So there are too many updates. When I will come to the SEO part, then I will make you understand with the relevancy feature and each Google guidelines, right? Okay. So yes, I'm going back to the digital marketing. Now this SEO and PPC part is covered. TV, SMS, you already aware from that. In the TV, you are seeing the too many ads of the Hyundai, and you are seeing the ads of the cars, laptops, mobiles, Airtel, Vodafone, Amul, right? So these are the brands who are having the much money to investing the amounts into the commercials ad. So they are investing the, because this is the, if you become a brand, if your brand is that much popular, then you have to keep the balance between the uh, uh, traditional marketing and the internet marketing. If I'm taking the example of the Amul, so Amul is investing so much money into the they are hosted the क्या कहते हैं, Saregama. If you are like seeing the Saregama, anybody, आप Saregama कोई देखता है? Nobody. I'm just giving you the example of the Saregama. Okay, Saregama. So in the Saregama, you will see in front of the judges, the Amul cup is there, right? So Amul sponsored that. So everybody can notice that Amul is sponsoring, and there is nothing. एक सिंपल से ग्लास में एक कप में ओनली अमूल व्हाइट कप में अमूल लिखा हुआ है, राइट? अमूल लिखा हुआ है. सो इट इज दस कि अमूल अपनी ब्रांडिंग कर रहा है वहां से. उसको कुछ नहीं है, वो क्या चाहता है कि मेरे को लोग जान जाएं कि मैं स्पॉन्सर कर रहा हूँ, और मेरे बिजनेस पे से बेनिफिट होगा, राइट? आप you are seeing the Renault is spending a lot of money in the promotion, right? They are like running too many contests into the social media. They are running a lot of thing into the social media, and they are offering even iPhone 7 to the customers when somebody is participating in the Renault quid competition. Even I have also like the page of the Renault, the way they are going to promoting their brand. It is, hello, the voice is still not coming. Krati, I think you have to reconnect your go to webinar. First disconnect it and then reconnect it, because everybody is listening my voice and you are not getting, means there is some problem at your end. Please recheck and confirm me so that I can proceed. Okay. So I was giving the example of the TV ads, how Amul and Renault or other brands are incorporating to the TVs, so that they are becoming their brand so much popular. And that doesn't mean they are only investing amount into the TVs only, TV ads. right, into the print media only. They are investing the same amount into the digital marketing platforms. Their website is well optimized. They are digitally spending so much money, right? There, if you will see their Facebook pages, they are having the billions of like in that pages, not the billions, millions of the like in the Amul pages. So what does it mean? The same amount which they are spending into the TV commercials, because they are keeping the balance while promoting their brand into the TV and digital marketing. So this thing is applicable to the higher level of brand. But once you are the startup, once you are the fresher, you just want to set up your business, so I would suggest you to start your business with the internet marketing only, not with the TV commercials, because Amul is something that make the healthy relationship with their customers, and now they are covering the whole channel, the whole the entire digital marketing world and the entire traditional world. So because they have the budget, they have that much resources, then only they are able to covering the all channels. But if you are a startup, you cannot, right? And SMS marketing is simple, because every time you are listening, you want health checkup in 999, you can get the full body checkup. If somebody is getting such kind of messages, then write the yes. Yes, yes, yes. Sumit asked one question. So why they have to invest more in digital marketing, right? See, uh, Sumit, in digital marketing, if you will check their Facebook pages, the social media marketing pages, they have the millions of the users, right? Because every brand will not sit stop, because this is an ongoing process. I'm saying this is an ongoing process. So they also want to increase their customers, the loyal customers, right? So that's why they are spending money not only into the digital marketing, but also in very different sections as well. So that's why, because it is an ongoing process, they cannot stop, they cannot sit idle. Because if they can think like, oh, my business is going very much well, I have a lot of customers. No, they have to promote themselves, because it is a brand building, right? If you can see the competition, if you can see the competition, the mother dairy is there, right? Danone is there, international brand. And you can see that too many rising brands are also coming, Namaste India, and different kind of the brands are also coming. So to like, they also have the fear of their competitors. So their competitor, if they will not promote themselves into the digital marketing, then this advantage other brands can take, right? So this is how every brand should continue this process, and they have to spend amount, invest money into the digital marketing as well, right? Agreed? Yes, Sumit, agreed. Okay, okay, good, Chandrakant, good, fine. So radio is also one of the way to promote your business. And banner ads I have explained you, email marketing I'm going to explain, and mobile marketing I'm going to explain. Okay, this slide is almost completed at my end. Krati like put the question, how much around money is invest to promote your website online? Krati, do you have website recently? Do you have website? No. Okay. So you want to promote your website or any other website? Just a general question. Yeah, I know the general question. It is a general question. I just want to know, because the money, there is no bar of the money, right? And there are a lot of platforms first you need to know in which platform you want to invest your money, right? Into the social media, into the search engine marketing, into the uh, SEM, the PPC one, into the paid marketing, into the SEO, and to the social media marketing. In which section you want to spend the money. So all the sections having the different amounts to initially start up. If I take the example of the PPC, right, it is completely depending upon the bidding competition. Like to rank your ad into the top, so you have to pay certain amount of budget for every click. That could be 50 rupees per click, 10 rupees per click, 5 rupees per click. So you can like compare or calculate like this much of the amount you want to spend into the PPC, right? If you want to the social media marketing, right, you don't need to pay that much money, right? If you want to like handle your Facebook pages, then you can start from the 15 to 20,000 or 30,000. If you want to include the paid advertisement, then you have to like include the paid budget as well. So everything is technically going on because everybody is here only. So I will explain each and everything because like a traditional marketing, you don't need enough budget in that, right? You can start from very small budget. You have like 15 to 20,000, then you can start the marketing per month, right? Meanwhile, Sumit is also asked one query. It should cost them less in term of digital promotion, but you told they are investing the same amount of money in TV as well in digital. Why? Sumit, this is something for the brand building, right? Brand building, because they are earning. This is a process to earn money, right? There are too many. I'll give you the example of the Ola, right? Later on, then you can relate why they are investing money into that, right? How Ola is invested their money to become popular. Then nowadays you can see, oh, I want to go somewhere, then I will book the Ola. This is something. This is for the brand building, to making your customers, right? Okay. Kriti's answer is done. Sumit, I will incorporate your answer in coming slides, definitely. Okay. Okay. This is done. This is done. Now the social media marketing. Everybody is well aware from the platforms of the social media. It is the Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, Dig, Twitter, YouTube. These all are the social media marketing platform. And social media marketing is also a form of the internet marketing. You all are aware from that. I have explained you earlier, like social media is a form of the internet marketing. It utilizes the social sites like Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, YouTube, Instagram, and it is something the community building. So in the social media sites, you are there to make your relationship with your audience to our so that they will like reshare you, comment you, ask you questions, and they will respond on your post, they will respond on your content, so that your channel, your chain will be increased. Means you have just added the 5 people, and your message will see to the 5 people only, but once your message will see your friend of friend are seeing the same message, that means your chain is increasing. So it is the community building process in social media marketing, right? So through the social media marketing, you are getting the exposure, and you are broaden your customer reach, and through that you are getting the traffic for your business, for your page, for your website, anything. That could be anything for your product and services, right? So this is the social media marketing, and it is very important factor. Why it is important? Because the 30% of the audience nowadays into the social media, because in the nowadays in the Facebook you are seeing there are too many viral videos, right? Rather explaining, I will show the practical example of this. I have my Facebook profile, right? Okay, just a minute. I'm just for a 2 minutes. I'm hiding the questions bar so that I can show you the things very well. This is my profile basically, right? Here you are seeing the post, right? Post are something likes, and I'm seeing you the difference. Every post in the form of the short video, right? Either in the short video, everything. If you are show the a message to your audience, and this would be in the form of the video, right? See the home page. See the home page. Somebody is posted the video, right? And here is the one example. See, I wanted to show you, because in the Google I have explained you the difference between the organic and the paid results. And similarly, in the same way, Facebook is also emerging to promote your brand, your local page, your business page, whatever the pages you want to promote, you can also promote with the help of the organic and the paid results. But organic results will not that give you that much of benefit. For that you have to put a lot of effort. But if you have the combination of the paid marketing into the social media, then you can take the best benefits from this. So here, if you are able to see the cool wings is a sponsored, if you are seeing this sponsored, that means it is a paid marketing. Means cool wings paid to show this result. Everybody is listening to me? Mm, Somebody asked a question to me. mm, I need to open it again, because I was showing the. Okay, Nikhil, I have a question. Suppose if I want to promote my website through video poster, then we have to invest money for create video, or in free of cost can I create? Yes, of course, Nikhil. You have my this is definitely you can do this. You don't need to pay that much to create the videos. There are a lot of tool. Go for the Potun.com. I'm quickly answering you. The Potun Go Animator. These are the free tools giving you opportunity to create the video with the help of the animated characters. And later on, you can ask me this question later on, because we are in this slide, in this session we are covering the all basic questions, right? Basics of the digital marketing. So later on you can ask me, and I will give you my WhatsApp number as well. So if you want any queries, you can ask me at any time, right? If there are the options like SEO and digital marketing, then all sites must be success. But that is not true. There are so many flops. Why this happens? Kriti, this is something they are not applying the right approach, right? There are too many startups and which are taking the benefits because they are applying the right approach. So in digital marketing, if something is happening, because you can see the registered business, 100% of the business registered annually, and among them 91% of the business failed, right? Just because of what? Because they are not applying the right technique. After 5 to 10 years they stop, they shut down, right? So this is something that you have to learn the skills, that you have to learn the basics, then and only you can apply the same technique in your approach. So I am covering it this the Facebook is here. Facebook is also giving the opportunity to the sponsored ad and everything. The part is different, and you can putting the GIF, graphical format images. And nowadays video is so much viral, so this is something is going on, right? So Facebook is done at my end. Now the social media marketing. Yes, here are the number of users in the Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn and YouTube. These all are the active users into the social media. That's why you should also go for the social media. And I have given the examples of the Ola. Why I have given the examples? Because Sumit asked me something. Okay, why they need to spend so much. So Ola is something in 2015, in 17 November 2015, in Chennai was flooded, right? Chennai was facing the problem of flood, right? So Ola is well known to providing the Ola cabs, not the boats. But at the flood time, at the flood situation, every cabs driver refused to take the rides, right? At that time people were suffering with too many problems. There were waterlogged and everywhere water. So Ola is something is came up with the idea to produce the Ola boats just to save their people. So Ola is come up with the boat idea. In the social media marketing, it is like you need to go trendy, you need to follow the trend. It's not like if somewhere is natural disaster is happened and in social media you are saying, oh, buy my product. No, right? You have to cover that natural disaster in your social media site. So Ola is something that is come up with the idea to provide the Ola boats. And ओला ने ये करने के बाद में यू विल सी कि ओला को लोग जानने लग गए, राइट? सुमित, आई एम गिविंग द एग्जांपल फॉर यू। अमूल अमूल क्यों कर रहा है ये ऐसा, है ना? अमूल चैरिटी प्रोग्राम क्यों कर रहा है, अमूल यहाँ पे क्यों जा रहा है, ये क्यों कर रहा है? दिस इज समथिंग दैट देन ओनली दे कैन अर्न द बेनिफिट ऑफ द ऑडियंस। दे create the loyalty with their customers. Similarly, Ola is done this, and nowadays Ola is that much popular. Everybody is booking the rides from the Ola, right? They overcome the Uber and other cabs, right? So I have just given this example just to explain you, right? Hope you agreed from this. So I have shown you the Facebook pages, the sponsored ads and the organic ads, and they are people are publishing their videos and all, right? So email marketing is the term, is also a digital marketing term, email marketing. So in your Gmail, everybody is getting the emails, right? Emails could be anything. Emails could be anything. That could be for your that could be for the offers. If your brand is just launched, that is for the relationship building, that is for the wishing for anything. So it is a very oldest way. Email marketing is like the traditional marketing. It is a very old way to, not the traditional marketing, but it is old like the traditional marketing, right? So email marketing is something, if you want to, like, if your business is just launched, right? If your business is just launched and you have the database, and you just want to people aware, like, I have launched this business, I am giving this services, and I have I have this much of the products, and this offer is going on. So you can like aware people through the email marketing, right? It is a very popular way, and you are getting the results from the email marketing as well. Interested people reply from the email marketing. Even I should suggest you everyone, like, you should not ignore the any emails, so that everybody can have the you should aware from the email marketing things. And what you need for the email marketing, very quickly, I just want to all of you, what you need basically for the email marketing? Anybody? No? Anybody? Okay. So for the email marketing, the basic thing is need the database to whom you are going to send the messages. Email IDs. You have the database of the email IDs, the verified email IDs, and the second thing, your emailer. This slide in this slide you are seeing gift card. You are saying the gift. You are sending the gift card. So this is a emailers. Like subscribers are no subscribers. Like it will come later. It will come later when you will send the email, this emailer to the email IDs, and everybody will subscribe that, right? So this is something. Email, you need the emailer, you need the database, then you can proceed with the email marketing. right? So this is one of the way to earn the money, right? I'm proceeding. SMS, WhatsApp, mobile apps, I have make you understand like this is also one of the factor, one of the platform for the digital marketing you can leverage with these platforms as well. So app store optimization is like a similar way. You are doing the search engine optimization for the website, right? Similarly, you are doing the app store optimization for the apps. If you have any apps, shopping apps, any kind of the apps, then you should also optimize that apps with the help of the app store optimization. So just note down this term, what is the app store optimization, and we will cover in the coming slide, in the upcoming sessions, right? So this should be aware like app store optimization is also exist. So responsive design is something when you are going to promote your website should be responsive. Responsive means your website should be open in any kind of the devices easily, right? Whether it is laptop, iPad, iPhone, or mobile phone. So it should your website should adjust the layout as per the different devices. So this is for the responsive design. So now in the digital marketing we have a concept of the remarketing as well, right? Remarketing is also called as a retargeting, right? So I am giving you the example. uh, who like do the shopping from the mantra. I think Krati like retain the mantra, right? Yes, Krati is there. Okay, no problem. So whenever you purchase something from the mantra, right? So like you are seeing the tops from the mantra, right? Let's suppose you have like take the some tops and go to cart, you have added into the cart, your shopping cart, and at the same point of time you were like something has happened and you didn't purchase, right? You didn't purchase. Yeah, there are too many like marketplaces, Amazon, Flipkart, and Snapdeal, Limeroad, yep.com. So from where you can do the shoppings. So I'm just giving you the example of the remarketing, why the remarketing is necessary and how it is working. So like in Mantra or in Amazon, we have like seen any product, but somehow we haven't purchased because we did not like, or we do not want to we do not wanted to purchase, right? Like so this happened with us, but in the remarketing process, in the Krati, yes, and then we'll show link of search close in other side. That's yes, of course. Krati is you understood the retargeting. So once the mantra, in the mantra you have seen the products you didn't purchase, but the same product you are seeing everywhere in the Facebook, in the other sites, in the YouTube, in the different sites, you are seeing the same ad. That red top or blue top is popping up, right? In showing everywhere. So for the few time, 1 week, 2 weeks, or 2 3 months, right? That ad will be showing to you. So this is the remarketing. Retargeting means if you haven't purchased anything, that ad will follow you. And this is the technique. This is the technique, right? Google AdWord will give you the opportunity for the remarketing. So you will learn later on, but you need to understand the concept of the remarketing and retargeting. Everything Yatra is also doing. Yatra, Make My Trip. If you have ever sign up with the Make My Trip Yatra, and everywhere, every site is doing this, whether it is the product based site or service based site, everybody is doing this. So remarketing concept is very necessary. I will let you know why it is necessary. It is necessary just because 99% of the users, 99.9% of the users never buy anything in the first attempt, right? So they have to check everything at least 2 3 times, and after that they will purchase because they are comparing the results from the different sites. This is something happening. right? So for that purpose remarketing is necessary, because if you will lost customer in first time, you have the opportunity to get customers in the second or third time. Got it? Okay. So the affiliate marketing is also one of the factor you can make money from the affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is a relationship between the three parties: the customer, affiliate, and the merchant. Right? Customers are anyone, right? Affiliate and the merchant. Let's suppose affiliate will be the Amazon, and merchant is like I have I am the manufacturer. I am the manufacturer, but I don't have the marketplace to promote my products online. So I will tie up with the eBay, Snapdeal, Flipkart, Amazon, and different marketplaces wherever I want to target. So that marketplaces will promote my products, and whenever any user will come to those products and they will purchase my product, and affiliate will get some kind of the commission from that, right? So this is how affiliate marketing is working. You got the concept? There's something affiliate gets a commission, you get a sale. Once the sale happened, affiliates gets a commission, right? So this is the process of the affiliate marketing. So you need not worry about it all if you don't have the any online presence. Then if you want to earn money but you have the products, then you can go for the affiliate marketing. And affiliate marketing is also the oldest way of the marketing, right? So here are the affiliate links. You can see the affiliate links. Affiliates will show your links in such kind of the sites, and I have just mentioned just for your reference. So now the future of the digital marketing, it is very important. The India penetration rate is increasing. In 2020 you will see 730 millions of the penetration from the India end. And I want to like explore you the career opportunities with the digital marketing, right? There are a lot of career opportunities, and if you are digital marketing means this session will successfully happen, and if you will eligible to learn the every concept of the digital marketing, then you would be the entrepreneur, you would be the freelancer, you can do the online earning. I have just given you the example of the affiliate, AdSense, and affiliate, right? And even you can do the professional jobs, right? So you can set up your business. You do like if you are very well aware from the digital marketing basics, then you can set up your business. And there are so many freelancing portals, right? So you can sign up with the freelancing portals and you can pick the projects, and you don't need to go anywhere. If you don't like the 9 to 6 job, then you go for the freelancing thing. You can work as an individual, work on the individual projects to earn money, wherein you have some time limit, and in that time limit you have to finish your available with the digital marketing. Okay, I'm going to the next slide. So this is a graph. Basically you should aware, like if you joined as an executive, as a fresher or 1 year of experience, and this would be the annual package for you. If you are joining as a specialist, team lead, and strategist, analyst, and digital marketing head, then this salary you can get from any organization, right? So this is something. And this designation title I have mentioned, it is mentioned as per the research. Most of the organizations give these titles, but it completely uh, depend upon the companies titles, what the title they will uh, give you. Somebody asked the question, Chandrakant, do you also cover AdSense here? See, AdSense is something uh, like the affiliate marketing. AdSense are the Google ads, right? Google will show your ads, and you are taking money from the Googles, right? So AdSense is something, and you have to create an account in the AdSense, and to create the account in AdSense is very much difficult. So you have to follow the some guidelines. I will cover you later this thing, AdSense and affiliate marketing in detail, because this session is overall understanding with the digital marketing, right? Future of the digital marketing is done. Career opportunities, okay. Okay, so this is a slide. Basically, part-timers can easily around 10,000 to 1 lakh per month. Full-timers can set up a business empire and earning unlimited, right, as an entrepreneur. Okay, so basic understanding is done with this session. Now I'm coming to the technical jargons, right? The first is URL. Anybody know the full form of the URL? Anybody? Please write down in the chat window if you know the full form of the URL and what is the URL. No. Okay, Sumit is no. Yes, no. I think universal resource locator. No, it's wrong. It's wrong. Yes, somebody is written unified resource locator. Yes, it is correct. It is correct. Okay, so URL is. I'm going to open this site. gentledental.com, www.gentledental.com. So this is the complete URL, right? So you should know what is the URL. If I am talking about the web page URL, so this is the URL, and this is the home page URL, meet the doctor's URL, treatment URL, right? So you should having the understanding about the URL, right? And here every site, if every site is into the online, that will have that URL, right? Unique URL. Your URL will not be duplicated, right? Every time if you want to like take the URLs from the site of the GoDaddy and HostGator, then you will get the unique URL. If somebody is occupied with the gentledental.com, then you cannot be eligible to take the same URL, right? So every site will have the unique URL. This you should know, right? If like you can search the gentledental123.com, right? Gentledentalclinic.com. You can check this. If this can if this is available, then tool will give you, but you cannot be avail the same URL. Similarly, there are different types of the websites. Static websites and the dynamic websites. Static websites is something that is showing the exact information whenever anyone visit, means information is not keep changing, right? And these kind of the websites are easy to host, develop, and quick to develop, right? But the dynamic websites are the websites, their content is keep changing, right? And example of the dynamic is something that is constantly changing. Every time it is constantly changing, that is dynamic, means that is not fixed or static. So the example of the dynamic sites are the Amazon, Facebook, and CNN is the news sites, right? So you should aware from the different types of the website. In the upcoming sessions I will explain you in detail this, but here I am mentioning like what are the different types of the sites. And even we have the categories in the sites, like you must be seen the some blogging sites, right? Authors are making their blogging sites, and some are the community building sites. And I'm community building is like Facebook is the best example, LinkedIn, MySpace, wherein you are making the community, you are making your followers, friends. Twitter, these are the sites are the for the community building. Some of the very informational sites, like if I have written Amitabh Bachchan, then Wikipedia will open, right? Wikipedia, encyclopedia. So these are the sites which giving the information for any particular topic from the beginning to the end. So informational sites are there.
some of the directory sites. If you want to search any kind of the directory, then you can go to the yahoo.com, yp.com. E-commerce sites are also there. I have already we are discussing too much for the e-commerce sites, because they are making so much benefits. And some of the photo sharing sites, if you want to share your photos, there are the Pinterest photo site, flickr.com. So these are the photo sharing sites. You should aware how many types of the sites are available into the internet, so you should aware from that, right? File transfer protocol. File transfer protocol is what everybody is know about this. Anybody? Files or internet send or receive file transfer protocol. Yes, as the name suggests, it is exist for the file transfer protocol, which is used to transfer files between computer on a network, right? You can use FTP to exchange file between your computer accounts, right? From your transfer files between account and the desktop or computer. So it is the term you should know what is do the file transfer protocol, right? Okay. Does anybody know about the HTTP? Okay, I'm seeing this batch is little bit technical. Everybody is having the little bit awareness from the hypertext transfer protocol. Yes, yes. Good. Gunjan said send and receive, file and transfer. Okay. So HTTP is something. It is exist for the hypertext transfer protocol, right? So if you are requesting something, if you are requesting to the website with the help of the HTTP, it goes to the web server, and web server will result in term of in back to you with the help of some sites, right? I have taken the example. This is like from your web browser. Web browser could be anything: Google, sorry, Chrome, your Chrome, Safari. It could be anything. There are too many web browsers are available, and popular one is Chrome, Mozilla. So from web browser, you are requesting a web page, right? You are requesting a web page, like you have written www.xyz.com. So that request is going to the web server with the help of internet, and web server is finding the databases and checking the files and coming to your site with the help of the landing pages, right? So this is how HTML HTTP is working. So there is another term, HTTPS. HTTPS is something hypertext transfer protocol. S is basically for the security reasons, right? And this HTTP you will see for the which type of sites? Yes, definitely it is correct. Nikhil is correct. To save your information from the hackers, that's why brands are using the HTTP. For this you have to take the SSL certification, security level certification, right? In the banks, whenever your site is e-commerce, means your is cart is attached, means that means you have to be take the HTTPS version for your site, because when you are going to purchase something, when you are entering your credit card, debit card details, means your credit or debit card details should be safe. That should be encrypted. Nobody can encrypt that information. So your card is safe, and you will not hesitate to share your information in any shopping portal. That's why it is here, HTTPS. Everybody is understood? Okay. Everybody is understood HTTPS and HTTP, the difference between HTTPS? Okay. I'm going to the next slide, which is browser. What are the browser? Basic term, a very basic term. I have already explained to you what are the browsers. Anybody? Okay, good, good. Google, Safari, Chrome, Mozilla. Not the Google. Yes, yes, yes. The plain text. Like plain text, what you have written, Gunjan? We are talking about the browsers. We need the name of the browsers. If you know any name, yes. Mozilla and Firefox. Yes, yes. Nikhil is great. So you are having the, yes, Opera is one of them. Good, good, good. Internet Explorer, of course. So I think you all are aware from the browser. What is the browser? Okay. What are the IP addresses? What is the full form? Internet Protocol. Yes. Internet Protocol. Right. So Internet Protocol is a unique string of number assigned by the ISP. ISP stands for the Internet Service Provider. Right? Every device, yes, Sumit is right. Every device is having the unique in IP address. That is for the 16 digit, if everybody is aware from this, right? So every like whether you are working in your laptop or your desktop or your mobile phone, if you have connected with the data, means if you have connected with the internet, that means your device will have the unique IP address, right? At the same time, if you have allotted with the IP address, no one can use the same IP address at the same time, right? This is the rule, this is the rule, this is the guideline. So this is depend upon the ISP, the internet service provider, who allotted you the unique IP addresses. Once you will disconnect with the LAN or something, web server, once you will disconnect with the web server, then if you will come up with the, if you will on the your data card in your mobile, that means your ID will be changed, your ID will be changed. So so this is something you should understood, the concept of the IP addresses, right? One device occupied the IP address, only one IP address, right? IP address is the real identifier for devices. Why this is allotted? Just for the security reasons, right? So this could be helpful to identify the reality, right? If you are using the IP address today, there is no surety that you will get the same IP address by tomorrow. It is keep changing IP addresses. What is the domain name? What is the domain name? I'm showing the example here, right? This is the complete URL, but if you will go Gentle Dental, Gentle Dental is the domain name, right? To purchase the domain name, you have to connect with the sites like GoDaddy, HostGator. There are too many sites, right? So a domain name is something you have to choose the domain name very wisely, right? Uh, in backend, we ping IP addresses, but we cannot remember. That's why we invented domain name for the domain name server. Yes, yes. Gunjan is right. Okay. So domain name, I am just giving you the some small tips, some tips to acquire the whenever you go to purchase the domain name, what kind of the techniques you should follow. Let's suppose I'm running a survey, I'm running a website and giving the services of the digital marketing courses, right? So this should not be a better thing like I am searching a domain completely with the digital marketing courses.com. No, there Google introduced one update. It is for the EMD update. It is called as a EMD update, exact match domain update. In that, if your website consisting the exact keyword, means your website will be penalized. And there are so many websites got penalized just because of the EMD update. So whenever you choose your domain, that should be like one or two word you can Snapdeal is very good example. You can see that deal is here. Deal is a very small word, and it will work as a keyword for the Snapdeal, right? So Snapdeal is a very best example, right? Make my trip is also another best example. Trip is a keyword, you have included a keyword, but the whole domain is not exist for the complete keyword. So it is a good example, right? Make my trip. So whenever you go to choose your domain name, it should be done. So web hosting is something when you have purchased your domain, you need some space to host your website, right? So that's why web hosting is there. Gunjan, okay, Gunjan is not okay. That was the previous one. So the web hosting, do you understand with the web hosting, the activity or business of means any businesses is providing storage space and access for the website. This is called the web hosting. My internet was slow. Gunjan, okay, no issue. You can, if you can like first disconnect the go webinar and then reconnect it or refresh it, maybe it will work fine. Okay, the web hosting is done. There are too many types of the hosting: co-located hosting, cloud hosting, and shared hosting, dedicated hosting. Once you have started your business, you are just new into the business and you don't have the enough amount to invest your business, then you can go for the shared hosting. But you have like set up your large business, then you have to go for the dedicated hosting. So in the upcoming sessions, we will talk in detail what kind of the hostings we have. So it is just the names we have done. Similarly, the web server is required. Web server, you can see that somebody is requested from the browser, and here is the internet. And web server is something that is coming with the files and graphics to your system. So web server is something there is data is stored, right? Okay, what are the cookies, guys? What are the cookies? Biscuits? No, that's not biscuit. Cookies are the small files, are the text files. Whenever you will open your browser, means cookie is generated to save your small details, not the enough details, but cookie is established whenever you will open your browser, whenever you will connect with the internet. So it will generate it to save your information. These are the small files, and it is stored in your computers, users computers. Got it? And it will be like started work when you load it, means when you will open your browser, right? And how long does cookie last, means what is the period. And there are some kind of the cookies: session cookies and persistent cookies. Session cookies is like once you will stop your session, it will finished, means you will not find the data. But persistent cookies means it will keep remain in your system. right? So this is the term. So it is not biscuit, Sumit. It is not biscuit. Very funny. So let's proceed with the virtual private network. Virtual private network, VPN is exist for the virtual private network. So whenever like you want some securities, like the some organizations want the securities, the large organizations, they have launched their virtual private network. Means everybody will use only their network, whether they are working from the different locations, but they will connect with their network only, right? So they have launched this concept just for the security reason, so that nobody can hack their data and information from that. And what is the redirection? What is the redirection? What is the redirection? When anybody know? When we direct to another URL, like we tried this, but India will redirect to this. No, Gunjan, it's not. I'm giving you the example, right? Let's suppose my website is snapdeal.com. Whenever I have opened this website, this is something, Gunjan, you have like give me the example. Yes, it could be the redirection, because you are opening the global com, but it is redirecting to the Indian Google. Just because Google is recognized your location, then it is redirecting uh, as a Indian Google, right? So this is right. So similarly, I am giving the example. Snapdeal, when anybody is open the snapdeal.com, and if they have put some kind of the redirection, and then Snapdeal is going to redirect it to the Snapdeal India.com. This is the different URL, right? So redirection is like whenever you are opening any URL and that is redirected to the different URLs, this is called the redirection. And in SEO, in the search engine optimization, we have two kinds of the URL. One is the permanent redirection, and the 301 redirection and 302 redirection. So 301 redirection is the permanent redirection, which means your website will open in only that particular fixed URL. But 30 redirection is not permanent, that is temporary. Means for some time you have put that redirection. Once your product will be e-commerce site generally do this redirection task. Means they put this process, because whenever they are not having that much of the product available in their site, then they put the temporary redirection. Means let's suppose their jeans their red jeans has finished, red jeans have finished, then they redirected to the other colors of the jeans, blue jeans, white jeans. So something is happening. Whenever you don't have any product available, then you can use the redirection. It is better that page is not going to the not found pages, 404 page. So it's better user will see something rather than that. So we can reduce the bounce rate in this, right? I am using this technical word, bounce rate. Bounce rate is something when somebody is coming to your site and that is automatically in a frequent of seconds, it went up, right? It went up. So when like I have opened the Snapdeal and I have closed this, so it is considered as a it is considered as a bounce rate, because I haven't I didn't navigate this website at all. So it will consider as a bounce rate. So to avoid the bounce rate is also the one of the factor to rank your website in the Google. Please guys, I am requesting to everyone, whatever the words I am using, make a list, so that I am saying that there are 200 of the factors which are helpful to rank your website into the Google as a organic results. So bounce rate is one of them. So one by one I am taking the name. So everything is the redirection is also one of the factor into the Google's ranking. So if your website is if your old domain, you want to change your domain, right? Like Snapdeal, you have the two domains, snapdeal.com and snapdeal1.com, but you want to continue only with the snapdeal.com. So there is no use to running the same domain into the Google, because there would be the duplicacy issues. So duplicacy issue is also one of the factor. So to avoid that duplicacy issue, we should put the 301 redirection. Means whenever people will open snapdeal1.com, it will completely redirect it to the snapdeal.com. Got it? That's great. So Snapdeal is done, redirection in 301 is done, and 302 is done. So you should aware from this redirection process as well. Now I am coming to the clocking. What is the clocking? So clocking is an ethical term. It is not an ethical practice, right? Clocking is when user is supposing something and you are showing something different to the users, right? I'm taking the example here. Like let's suppose user put something like user want to see best laptops in Delhi, best laptop in Noida, right? But whenever user is supposing that that page will open, but what is happening, the page is opening of the refrigerators, right? Refrigerator or something you want to redirect it them. So you have done the clocking. This is an unethical approach. We should not do this. This is one of the factor in the Google's ranking. So if user is expecting the same result, we should respect that, and we should keep the relevancy. We should put the relevancy into the our results. So we should not go for the clocking process. Means we should we cannot redirect it user, because user is supposing to see that result only and we are showing something else. This is the clocking, right? Web pages versus website. So everybody is aware from the what are the web pages and what are the sites. See, I am opening with the patient gallery. So this is the web page. Patient gallery is the web page, and why us? Why us is the web page. In the about clinic is the web page, right? And this is the URL. This is the website, right? Blocks. What are the blocks? Anybody? Nobody know? Every website is having their internal blog section just to keep putting updates into their sites, right? Every authors is having their blogs. So every website should have the blog section in which we should update. Yes, WordPress, we can create the blog in WordPress. Yes, good Gunjan. So you should have the internal blog sections. If you are not having the internal blog section, then you can create the blogs in external sites like MySpace, Tumblr, blogger.com. There are two, wordpress.com. If you are not having the site, then you can create your blog sections free of cost in these sites, right? Sumit is lost connection. Anybody, everybody can hear me? Okay. Sumit, please try, please disconnect and reconnect. Then you would be able to listen my voice. Okay. So blocks is done. What internet service provider is completed with the IP addresses, right? Internet service providers are the providers who who allotted the IP addresses, and that could be the broadband and the companies. There are too many companies who provide the who are the internet service provider and allotted the IP addresses, right? And firewall is also a term. Firewall acts a barrier between a trusted network and an untrusted network. It keeps the data secure. Firewall works to keep the data secure between the untrusted network and the trusted network, right? Encryption is something Encryption is something, let's suppose I have request any web page, and now I am proceed with the payment section. So I have like put my debit and credit card details. That detail will over the internet will go as a encrypted forms. Mean it will go in the coding form, the binary codes, the different kind of the codes. So my data would be encrypted so that hackers will not decode my data. So my data is secure. So encryption is done while transferring the files from one location to another locations. Conversion of numbers to letters. Sumit, uh, I didn't get you. Conversion of number to letters. You are talking in terms of the encryption. I am explaining how encryption is happened. How encryption is happened, and it is necessary because to keep your data secured, it is necessary over the internet, because there are too many hackers. They are doing this kind of the role to decode the secured data, decode the sensitive data, so that they can misuse that. So to avoid this misuse, we should know about the encryption technology. So whenever you will going to create your website, build your website, so your developer should make sure that you have put the encryption into the sensitive pages. When you pass the sensitive information from one location to other location, then your developer should include the encryption form, right? Phishing. Yeah guys, phishing. What is phishing? I'll give you the examples of the phishing. Phishing term is mainly used in the email marketing, right? Yes. Phishing is something Phishing is something when somebody is trying to pretend from very authentic site, and they just mean to gather the sensitive information like your credit card detail, your account details, your personal information. So such kind to gather such kind of the details, some people will trying to be pretend from the authentic sites, but they are not from the authentic site. You have to judge them. They are not belong to the authentic site, but they are want to acquire the sensitive information. So you have to see and how you can identify, because we usually we are in hurry and somehow we have been shared such kind of the data, but we should not. We should be evaluate the listings. Like phishing examples I am showing you. This is one of the best example to explain you how the phishing is going on. See, read the email ID. From this email ID, they send email to this address. This is management at uh, amazoncanada.com. If somebody will read this, will not read amazoncanada.ca. It will read like amazoncanada.com. It seems like Amazon Canada send email to this email ID, right? So if you will not concentrate on this a little bit on this, then you would send the information on this link by signing, right? So you have to distinguish the results. This basically whenever any emails you will get, you have to check the email whether it is verified. Whether if amazon.com will send you this email or somebody else send you this email, right? So you should aware from this listing. There are too many examples of the phishing. You can US bank, PayPal is sending you the information, but that is not the actual PayPal, right? They are trying the phishing activity just to gather your sensitive information, right? So you should be aware from such kind of the activities during while you access the internet. So guys, we have overall completed this session. If you have any queries, you can write down in the chat window. I will answer, or I answer your queries. Hope I explained each and every part in this session, and the basic understanding with the digital marketing, everything I have done. So in the next coming session, we will proceed with the technical session and the other things related with the digital marketing. Anybody wants to, anybody is having queries? Anybody? No? And hope you understand this session and you were not bored in this session. Okay, larger bounce rate is good for website or smaller bounce rate is good for website? Sumit said finished on time. Yes, Sumit, we have allotted the time 6 to 9. So I make sure myself that this session is completed within the given time duration. But you have queries, then I can give you the answer in 5 to 10 minutes. If you want that, I can. Right. So Alok asked one question like larger bounce rate is good or website or small. See, Alok, you understood with the concept of the bounce rate, right? If your bounce rate is less, that means your website is good enough to generate the to fulfill the customer needs, right? There is a limit. If your bounce rate is below 50%, then your website is good. If your bounce rate is going higher than 50%, that means your website need some attention. You have to check the things to recover the bounce rate. Bounce rate is higher just because of the many factors. Means your website font is different, you are not putting the better call to action in your website. Means your website is not navigation is not proper, your content is not healthy in that, people are not finding the relevancy in your website. So there are too many factors which can help to reduce the bounce rate for your website. Hope you understood. In the SEO session we will make you detail like what factors are necessary, though I have explained the terms of the bounce rate, right? Yes, done. So yes, Sumit, Alo, Gunjan, Krati, everybody enjoyed this session? Yes. Okay, thank you. Alok said thank you. Yes ma'am, thank you. Yes. Okay, so some people joined this session today after 1 hour, so it should not be done in the next session because you are going to learn a lot of thing in this. So don't miss anything, because if you will miss one part means you would not able to complete the second part, right? Everything is correlated in the digital marketing. So it is request with everyone, be come on time at 6 to 9. So we'll be having the another session by tomorrow, so be on time. Thank you guys, to be here to part of this session. Okay, bye bye, good night.